You guys already know what time it is. Today I'm going to be talking and unboxing the Glow set from Rhode. And I know it's already been out for a couple of weeks, but I thought that I would talk about it. I've had these couple of weeks to kind of like try it on and maybe give some advice on what you might have not thought about, honestly. So let's just get into it because I'm so excited. I love Rhode, and especially the fact that it's coming into Sephora. The fact that all, or not all, but like most of the limited editions from a couple years ago are coming back. Come on. Come on. If you've never gotten a package from Rhode online, this is what it looks like. Just has the clean gray palette here with Miss Hailey Bieber right here. We have the Rhode little paper right here. And this is what it looks like when you just open it up and get a glimpse of it. I forgot to tell you that there was a little surprise for me in this one. So first thing that I have here, if you didn't already know, the Glow set comes with the glazing mist, the barrier butter, and the glazing milk. But the barrier butter and the glazing milk come in the smaller size. I'm not exactly sure what size that is. I'll put it up in the screen right here. But yeah, and then there's only one size for the glazing mist. So here it is. I kind of got the packaging wet, but once you open it up, this is what it looks like. And this is the newest product that Hailey Bieber released, and honestly I really love it. I've been swimming a lot more this summer, or like at least in the beginning of this summer, and I used it after I got out of the pool, and oh my gosh guys, my skin is always so dry after getting out of the pool because, you know, all the chlorine and chemicals and stuff. But when I put this on, I'm telling you guys, you have to bring this. This is like a pool day essential. I spritzed my face with it once I was done getting out of the pool, and my face was instantly hydrated. So this is perfect for like on the go hydration. And then also I plan to use this in college after I'm done working out. If like I have a little midday workout session, you know, you don't want to apply all your skincare again. So I thought this would also be really great to like wash my face and then spritz this on. I thought this would be great to like, you know, after I'm done working out, gotta wash my face, and then I spritz this on if I am on the go, needing to go to classes like instantly. So this is perfect for that. This definitely keep this as an essential in my bag, but I think this is really great. This gives a lot of hydration to your skin if it's super dry, and I really like this product a lot. Next thing I have here is my glazing milk, and if you guys have not already seen my unboxing in my first video, I'm going to make a playlist for all my Rhode hauls just because now that I have another one to put in here, so that'll definitely be up once I'm uploading this video. In the first video that I have, I'm unboxing the glazing milk, and obviously they're the same and it's very adorable. Look at the size of that, and here it is, and it says bathe your barrier right there. And so it's so tiny, but I think this is literally perfect for on the go when you're on vacation. I used this and the barrier butter at Disneyland, and it was perfect. I just like need like a little bit. The glazing milk has definitely lasted me a while, especially with the bigger one. Just love how clean and aesthetic everything looks. The next thing that I have here is obviously the barrier butter, like I've been talking about. This is so tiny. I was honestly kind of shocked how tiny this one is. This was actually my first time using the barrier butter, and for me personally, I have oily skin, and so I was super scared to use this because my mom didn't really know, you know, that it's very hydrating and maybe not the best for oily skin. But I just use a little bit, maybe like, I'm gonna say like less than a dime size, honestly, because I was so scared that I didn't want to break out, because I don't, you know, if you put too much of this, it'll like clog up your pores. Like I said, I used like less than a dime size, honestly, and I just like boop boop, and honestly that was enough to cover my whole face, and I used it at night and it was really awesome. This kept my face hydrated the entire night after applying. It's definitely thicker. Moisturizer that I have right now, like for nighttime, is the CeraVe nighttime like PM moisturizer. That one's very thin because, like, again, for oily skin. By putting less on my face, I think that also helped with me not to break out. But again, I only used this for like 3 nights in a row, and honestly I kind of noticed my skin got better, but that was just because the day before it broke out. Be aware if you have oily skin with the barrier butter, and if you do, make sure to put a little bit on your face at a time. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend putting any more than a dime size, because one, like, you're also saving product too, but two, it's gonna be best for your face just because it's gonna clog up your pores and do all that, and you don't need that much hydration if you already have oily skin. I would definitely, I think after I run, like once Rhode comes into Sephora, I'm probably going to get the full size version of this barrier butter because I really liked it a lot. So that's all that my mom purchased for me, but since it was the birthday of Rhode, I'm not even sure exactly what day it was. I'm not sure, but I saw in the like all the TikToks, everybody's like, oh my gosh, I got a free Rhode lip peptide treatment, and I was like, OMG, like what the heck. And so me not knowing, or my mom not knowing that I would get a little extra goodie, I somehow happened to get one. But then I was also reading that they're giving them out for free because they're changing the ingredients. Honestly, I don't really have any problem with the ones that I already have, so I was like, all right, I'll take it. This is the unscented Rhode peptide lip treatment. Holy moly, that is a tongue twister. But let's open it up, and it says nourish your lips, which I definitely need because my lips are always dry for some reason. I don't really know why, but I took this also on my Disneyland trip, and I used it at night because, like, why would I use an unscented one during the day? Like, that just doesn't make sense. This kept my lips moisturized all night long. This is like a lip version of the barrier butter. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. I know I say that for everything, but I'm serious. I know she puts like a lot of skincare in here as well, and all like her lip treatments and stuff, like her lip tints and everything, and I love that about these. And definitely lip skincare is not talked about enough. Literally the first thing that people look at, other than like your eyes on your face. So I think this is amazing. This was definitely a staple for my nighttime routine. Kept my lips hydrated all night long. I use the Burt's Bees chapsticks, and I literally have to reapply that like 3 times a night. It's a lot. I'm trying to get through all of them because I want to use, like, I just want to switch everything to Rhode, like at least for my lip stuff. It's a lot of work. I've been like reapplying my stuff every single day. Like once my lips get chapped, like I literally need to reapply after this video. But yeah, y'all, if you guys don't have a lip treatment from Rhode, I definitely suggest it because she has so many great skincare benefits in here. And yeah, that's all I can say about this. That's everything. That is the glow set plus birthday gift, free gift for me. Look out for another haul because that is the whole Lemontini deal. And as you can tell, I kind of did a little full month of Lemontini, so get ready for the Rhode Lemontini haul because it is coming in hot. All right, but anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and make sure to like the video if you enjoyed, and if you want to see more of this kind of stuff or just suggest anything that you want to see. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye, people.